So guys, I have good news. I fixed the problem of the camera not in place, and I'm gonna show you how to do that yourself. First, you gotta go to the room. Let me just check. Yeah, go to the room. Then go to viewports. Make sure it's enabled. Go to viewports. Set it to 310. 160. This is optional if you want to do it, but the most important thing you want to do, no, I forgot, this is not optional. It's what you want to do. It's about the level. You gotta change it here and there, from left to right, right to left. Change the window size as well till it's good. I can't give you the exact numbers if you're in a different level. So for those who are following exactly what I did in the level design, you wanna do the width here 310, 100 height 160. Go to window of all players. Make sure it's the same as the later. 900 by 800. And now I'll get to show you the results. Then we'll work on the gun. Yeah, finally, the machine gun. It's going to work somehow, I think. But not now. As you can see, we have the player. We can move. It's still laggy, but it's working. And that's what matters, right? I'm gonna fix the lag right after it's super lag. Yeah, 3D games are run better than this. This is only a 2D game. Yeah, that's the problem. Let's set up some gunpowder. See what I did there? Yeah, literally. Now let's improve the size of. I really don't like the machine gun being the same size as bigger than our player. Our player is getting taken over. He is the hero of the story. No one should be bigger than him. Yeah, this is the size. For you who have the same art, it's 32 by, these numbers, 0.5 by 0.5. We'll make this a bit long, make it 0.6. Yeah, now let's set up the code for our gun. What we want to do is set up events. I'm going to show you exactly what events you'll be needing: the create and the begin effect. Just like that. We're gonna go to where we're working, and fire delay, which is the delay between every bullet, the delay, and recoil, which is like the player is really holding the gun. The gun will be in our player. It's at weight. When he moves forward, the gun kind of goes backwards. I will show you in my real project. So guys, I will show you how the gun behaves when I add this code, the specific code, fire delay, and then we do all this stuff. Yeah, you see the gun, when we move, it moves with the player. You can see that. Yeah, it moves when I fire. Let me just do something real quick. Change the speed. Let's wait so we can see, so we can see properly what's going on. Let's wait for this. Yeah, as you can see, if I fire my bullet, which This monster isn't letting me. Oh yeah, I need to make it higher. How about that? I forgot. Let's do that process again. So let's wait. Let's fire, which this monster again isn't letting me. Yeah, as you can see, the distance between every bullet is longer. But if if I want to do like the fire, this is the speed. If I want to do like here, we want to do three. Let's see how it turns out. Run, please, run. Don't be slow. Don't be, please, run. Don't be slow, please, run. Let's fire. You see, the gun really shows that it's firing. Look at the way the gun keeps going forwards and backwards, with the player as he moves and as he shoots. Just like that. Very accurate explanation. Thank you. You see, that's what we're trying to do here. So let me just explain all of this, then just click it. So, x coordinates equals the O player dot x, which plus 11. The x coordinates of the O player will be added by 11, and the y also will be added but by 5. Image angle, the angle that the image points direction x, this will make sure that the gun follows the mouse. Fire delay is equal to fire delay minus 1. If I set fire delay to 3, it will do a minus 1. It's just like I did 2. Just I don't really know what's the importance of it, but it's really, really important to add it into your game. Just try it, the game will not run. Recoil, everybody knows recoil. Max 0 recoil will be minus 1. If I click and this part over here, if I click the mouse, bullets will come out of the, if I click a normal click in the mouse, right here, the gun will shoot bullets out of it. Yeah, the speed of the bullets and the delay, every fire, recoil, all of that. And this bit makes sure that the recoil doesn't get outside of the player, even though it wants to, it can't, and it follows the player every step of the way. So let's use the code, just like this, add it to the step event of our tutorial, which is, I'm not gonna use anything with it anyway. Just I'll name it a corrupted version of Super Sphere. I named the real game Super Sphere, and I'm gonna release this maybe and call it corrupted version of Super Sphere, because it's not the same. New levels, a new enemy, all that stuff. New gun, not new, but it's still a machine gun, okay? Just shut up. So, we're gonna run the game, and we're gonna be done with our tutorial and play through the game. So, I will maybe not continue. What the heck? It isn't working. Why am I? Let's even get to. Oh my God. Bullets. Please. Oh, bullets. I didn't name it. Oh. Yeah, might as well fix this right now. Oh. Oh, bullets. Yeah, maybe that was the problem. Maybe instance layer. Yeah, that was the problem, I think. Maybe. Could be. I just don't know. Oops. Run the game again. Under random image angle. Let's just fire delay. Why isn't fire delay like the fire delay? I hope it's no, it doesn't work. In the statement instances, bullets does not exist. Yeah, maybe. I'll figure out the problem right now in our demo. Let's just check. Bullets. Bullets. Oh, bullets. Sprites. Let me check the sprites. Bullets. I really can't find where the problem is right now. Yeah, at the end, we get to the end and now, wow, we have... Oh, I remember now. If you would look here, the place where our bullets are is named bullets. That's what I need to do. Yeah, where are the instant? Where are the bullets? Instant? No. Oh, gun. Oh, bullet. This will be named... Let me just copy paste. Okay, just do it. Do what you want. I don't care. I just want to fix my problem here. And the computer is telling me, you can't do that. That's how we fix it. Professionalism. Let's just make me real professional by just why this? I hate that when it pops up. Make them a little bit bigger. And this guy won't be bigger. I'll name him Mini Guy. If you would watch the episode where I gave you the peak of the game, there was a monster named Mini Guy that was his first and last appearance. Here he comes back in this corrupt version of my game. So it's still laggy, but also it's working. That's great. Yup, I'm really proud of what we have done. Yeah, it collides with them. Does it kill them? Yes, it kills them. That's good. Mini guys are annoying because they're hard to aim at and small. Yeah, here comes his friend to defend him. Wow, I told you this AI is way too intelligent. Even more intelligent than you. You want to be intelligent more than him? Subscribe. Share this with your friends. Leave a comment. Like. Do all that stuff if you want to beat the artificial too intelligent. I may not add new levels or may add them, but feel free to change anything, to use my assets, you use anything you like. Publish the game somewhere. No, don't publish the game. Yeah, don't, please. Wherever you want, just publish it wherever you want, use it. I will sue you and get money from you. So, bye guys, and hope you enjoyed our video. And one more thing, the video isn't ended. You're still not done with me here. The animations are way too fast. Yeah, he blinks way too fast. Bro is like Sonic. Well, I'm not gonna change it, you do. And screen share what you did. That's all I have to say right now. So, as always, have fun, do something in your life, and learn programming. That's what I do always. And bye for good. Stay tuned to find out.